In this video, I'll show you how you can add your cover image on LinkedIn. So firstly, you need to go to your profile, then choose View Profile. And from here, just click on this camera on this background. So click on it. And from here, you can create a slideshow or you can add cover image. So click on it. And from here, you can upload your own from your computer, or you can choose image created by this AI. So let's say I'm gonna choose this image and then click save. Now once the image loads, you can customize it by clicking on this pencil, then click edit cover image. And from here you can, for example, zoom it a little bit, or you can rotate it like this. Then you can apply filters. So we have some filters here. So for example, this is spotlight. Then what you can do next is adjust these settings like brightness, contrast, saturation. So let's say you want to add some brightness. So click on brightness and then drag this slider. And as you can see, it's brightened now. Once you have everything set up, you can click on apply. So I'm going to click on apply, and this is going to apply all changes I made it here. So as you can see, this is how you can upload and edit your cover image on LinkedIn. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.